As-salamu alaykum, once again welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we will share mint chutney recipe. Pudina chutney, also known as mint chutney, is the perfect refreshing side to your breakfasts, appetizers and snacks. If you love Asian foods, you will be in love with this. You are most likely to make this mint chutney often to spice up your meal and finger foods. So keep watching and stay with us for step-by-step guidance. So in order to make this recipe, we need the following ingredients: 100 grams mint, 100 grams coriander, 3 to 4 green chili, 3 garlic cloves, a pinch of salt, a choice of spices such as chili powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder, 200 grams yogurt. Method. First of all, we use a blender in order to make the process faster. Now add mint, coriander, garlic and green chili to the blender. Stop when it becomes like paste. Remember to add a little bit of water if the paste is thick. Now it's time to add your spices together and blend once more. On the final, add the paste and yogurt together and mix them properly. You can eat with kebabs, roti, samosas or rice. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.